Hello, my loves. Wonky. Hello, Wonky. Everybody okay? Yeah. I'm getting some lovely greets here. I've got a little bit more in the car, guys, if needed. Just doing a quick check. Hi. Such beautiful greetings. Don't peck Wonky. No, don't. There, darling. Grumpy birds. Peck my little girl. Oh, those beautiful wings. They're beautiful, yes. Stop pecking. Incoming. Hi. Oh, beautiful wings. Hi. Hello. Would you like me to get you some? Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. I'll get you some. I'll get you some. There you go. Right, I'm going to dish up feeds now for everybody. Hello, my darling. Hi. Are you all okay? You've been sat with your face in the food because it's all down your chest. I just want to make sure nobody's got any unwanted accessories. I'll go get you some more food in a minute, guys. I'm just doing a check over. Put the goose down, that was really grumpy. You right, Wonk? Hi. Yes, you're a cheeky monster. Come on, my darlings. Hi. Hello, beautiful. Always look under the chin in case there's a chin strap, because they get missed. Stop arguing, my big fluffy white things. Stop it! Oi, Grumpy. Hi. Very slight bleed on his bill. Hello, gorgeous. Hi. Yes, I think you two killed that poor gosling over there. Didn't you? Did you not get out of the way quick enough? Right, 4GAD and 4FOH. And Doc reunited with Mama. That was lucky. Smile, Stacey, I'm filming. We have just had to stop 2 women from coming down here with 2 carrier bags filled with unwanted food that they were going to dump at the lakeside, thinking it was helpful for the birds. No, definitely not. If it's no good for human consumption, then why would you think that the wildlife would benefit from it? So they've just gone off in a bit of a huff because we told them, no, you're not doing it. Oh, silly. Right, guys. It's an alarm call. There's people over there. All right, babies.